Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we discussed some preparation of aryl halide, in which first direct halogenation. In direct halogenation, the Lewis acid is served as a catalyst. Here, the benzene is treated with the halogen, that is X2, in presence of the iron chloride. We get the chlorobenzene. Then we discuss the next method, that is from phenol. When phenol is treated with the phosphorus pentachloride, we get the chlorobenzene. And another method, when this phenol is treated with the phosgene, there is formations of phenyl chloroformate. And next, when treated with the triphenylphosphine, finally we get the chlorobenzene. Then we discuss the Sandmeyer reaction. The diazonium salts are highly reactive compounds. It is used to prepare the alternatives arene derivatives. The diazonium salts with copper chloride or the copper bromide leads to the formations of corresponding arene, and this reaction is known as the Sandmeyer reaction. That means we take the benzene diazonium salts or the benzene diazonium chloride. When treated with copper chloride in presence of HCl, we get the chlorobenzene. Next, we discuss the Gattermann reaction. Friends, in Gattermann reaction, the diazonium chlorides is treated with copper in presence of HCl, we get the chlorobenzene, or the copper in presence of HBr, we get the bromobenzene. After that, we discuss the reactions of chlorobenzene, that means the aryl halide with metals. Generally, lithium or the magnesium metals are used to give the more reactive derivative that behaves as the source of the aryl anion. That means, suppose we take the bromobenzene, and this bromobenzene on treated with the metal like magnesium, we get the phenyl magnesium bromide. Up to this we cover in previous lecture. Today we will start the remaining part of alkyl and aryl halide, in which aryl halide, this is lecture number 15th. First we discuss the aromatic nucleophilic substitution, in which the replacement by hydroxyl groups. Friends, the chlorobenzene is converted into phenol. Such a process is known as the Dawes process, and which is now made by many oxidation of cumin at high temperature. Here, the aryl group reacts with the ammonia to give aniline. Here, first reaction, when the chlorobenzene on treatment with the hydroxide ion, the chlorobenzene, when treated with the hydroxide ion, we get the phenol. And another method, when this chlorobenzene on treatment with the ammonia hit the reaction mixture, we get the aniline. Okay. Now then, next, effect of nitro substituents. Friends, typically the alkyl halides, the allyl halides do not participate in the conventional SN2 reaction, as the backside attack required for an SN2 reaction is impossible owing to the planar structure of the aryl group. SN1 reactions are theoretically possible but not generally observed, as the formation of the aryl cation is not energetically favored. When the aryl halides with electron withdrawing groups in the ortho and para position can undergo SNAR reactions. For example, the 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene can react with water in basic solution to give phenol. Here, this is the structure of 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene, and this 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene is treated with water. That means in basic condition is hydroxide ion. This will be attack on this para position. Now then here, when this nucleophile, that hydroxide, it will attack here, this double bond will be shipped here. Here we get the negative charge. Here I have mentioned here, and this negative charge is delocalized in this way. That means there is formation of sigma complex, that is resonance stabilized, and this carbanion is delocalized for this nitro group and this carbon-carbon double bond. And next we get this intermediate. In next step, the departure of this good living group, and we get the phenol. And this phenol, which is deprotonated in basic solution, therefore we remove this proton. That means OH minus, it will abstract this proton. Here we get the H2O as a byproduct, and here O minus. That means we get, finally we get the deprotonated phenol. Unlike the other substitution reaction, the fluoride is the best leaving group and iodide is the worst due to the fluoride's high electronegativity, allowing the better stabilization of the rate determining transition state. This is about the effect of nitro substituents. Okay friends, so never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.